Hey guys, it's Richard from Grafting Dragon Fruits, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a dragon fruit shaved ice dessert. And these are all the ingredients that you're going to be needing. It's a very simple dessert to make if you have any leftover dragon fruits, and then they are very delicious to have. So I had some Vietnam white, and this is a red dragon fruit that Patrick Dunphy has sent me that I had some left over. We have sugar, condensed milk, and of course, the most important part, shaved ice. So it's very easy to make. Let me show you guys how to do that very quick. But first, I'm gonna need to cut up all these dragon fruits. So what you're gonna be doing is just remove the skin. You're only gonna be needing the dragon fruits. So I like to cut it into cubes. The smaller the better, because you're gonna be using a spoon to eat them. So let me get that ready real quick. So this dessert is very delicious if you have kids around, and you know kids, they always love desserts. So if you ever have your friends, kids' friends that are over, and you wanna have them try your dragon fruits, you wanna sneak it in, this is a great way to do it. I made it for my nieces and they absolutely love it. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm an adult and I loved it myself too. And I'm pretty sure you guys will all really enjoy this. Okay, I have a couple more peels to peel out. You don't want any peels or skin in there. Make sure you remove them all. And look at how red my hands are becoming from this fruit. So it's always nice to use some Vietnam white or any white flesh that you have. And you want to use a tarty dragon fruit. They work very well with this recipe. Okay, so here we go. Just gonna cut them up really quick. You don't need to be too fancy. So I had some small dragon fruits here. This will probably make me at least 2 servings, but if you use a dragon fruit, I'm pretty sure you can stretch it out to at least 5 servings. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab a handful of the white flesh. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in there. Oops, sorry about that. And now I'm just gonna take a few of these red ones and we're gonna go ahead and put it right on top, just like that. Next, you're gonna want to add some sugar. I do about 1 spoon of sugar and I put it right on top. And then this is where our shaved ice is gonna come in handy. You're gonna fill this up to the top with shaved ice. It's gonna keep all that dragon fruit cool in there. So as you're working your way down, it's gonna hit you right in your taste bud and it's gonna taste amazing. Okay, so the last step is you gotta just add some condensed milk. I like to do like a spoon. You can put less or you can put more. It's totally up to you. And you just do it like this. Now, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna mix everything up and enjoy it as it is. So here we go. You guys starting to see how beautiful and yummy it's starting to look. So you get the sugar, you get the condensed milk, you mixing them up in there. And this is what you're gonna end up with. A dragon fruit shaved ice dessert. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a bite and let you guys know what I think. Here we go. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I need to take another bite. Let's do a Vietnam white in there. Your kids, your mom, your friends, your family are all gonna love you so much when you give this to them. This dessert is so simple and it's very easy to make. And if you have leftover dragon fruits, this is a great way to utilize them. So that is how you make dragon fruit shaved ice dessert. I think it tastes absolutely amazing. And if you guys thought that this actually looked really good and you guys want to make it too, please hit the like button. If you guys have any comments on how to make this, go ahead and leave in the comments below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And if you guys want to see more dragon fruit and grafting videos of mine, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that way you guys won't miss a single thing. Have a wonderful day now. Bye guys.